guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just did a low sleek ponytail and I also showed you guys how I did my eyebrows, so stay tuned, keep watching. It's lit. What's up? Yeah. Hey you guys, so that sounds so corny. Hey you guys, my hair is washed. I washed it last night. I braided it up so it can stretch out while it air dry and it can be slick and nice for this hairstyle, man. I've only used Eco Styling Gel on this whole hairstyle. That's really all you need to get it slicked and nice. Ooh, baby hairs is my favorite part. I'm a baby hairologist. You know, I don't know how, it just came natural. I just get it done, get it through it. I'm just kidding. But yeah, edges are my favorite. It's usually easy, one swipe motion and I'm done. Now onto my eyebrows. First I just brush them out, get them looking the way I want. Then I outline them with something lighter than what I would usually use. Then after that I just go in. I use a darker color, usually a cream, and finesse the fuck out of my eyebrows. And sometimes I have good days, sometimes bad days, and this was a pretty good day. I'm gonna stick to this routine. Now to the actual ponytail, you just want to grab the braiding hair, grab the rubber band that comes with the braiding hair, and just wrap it around your natural ponytail. That's the first step. Hopefully I can see this. I hope. After you've done that, you take a section of the braiding hair and your whole ponytail, and you want to braid it together, like a box braid, I guess. Braid it all together. Once you've done that, you get a bobby pin and you bobby pin the base of the braided hair to your scalp, I guess you can say. Then you grab the little braid you did and then you wrap it around the whole ponytail. You just wrap it, and I just tuck mine. I don't really bobby pin it or nothing. I just tuck it so it can be secure. After that, I get another piece and do the exact same thing to make sure it's like extra secure. And that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on my social media. Thank you so much.